Let me ask you a question. How many of people using Google every day? And do you know that you can make a lot of money on Google? In this video, I will be showing you exact strategies and step by step how you can make $220 over and over again. In just a few minutes, all you have to do is just go to this brand new website and use this brand new Google trick that I will be teaching you in this video. By following our brand new strategy step by step, you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. Now, for some of you guys, I know that you come from all over the world, but don't worry, this opportunity works worldwide and they pay you many different payment methods such as PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm, Skrill, and even bank transfers. But remember, if you want to make money, stay tuned and watch this video until the end, since I will be showing you how to get free bonus money when you sign up and get this brand new website that I never seen anyone covering on YouTube. So I will show you how to set up the ultimate Google settings that nobody's talk about, and if you apply this strategy, you can make 3 times more money compared to others. Now, without wasting the time anymore, let's get started today's video. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online with the simplest way and the fastest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. So whenever we upload a brand new video on Make Money Online, you will get updated and you can start making things happen. So also please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, concerns, opinions about this video or any other video and you have any mind questions, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. I will get back to you soon as possible. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first step that you need to do is, if you want to create hundreds and hundreds of dollars over and over again, also the use of Google, you need to visit this website called shrinkme.io. And shrinkme.io is a URL shortener website that can pay you up to $220 per 10,000 views. If you want to see if this website is legit or real, you can see and open this payment proof tab. On the upper side of this website here, you will find real-time payments. They have paid their users and they even did not miss out any of the payments of the last users. And they pay through the different payments method all over the world. You can see also how much they have paid their user in last time. Now there are 3 easy steps you need to do in this website to start money just like them. In the first step is to create and sign up a free account. Next step, you need to start shortening your links and share this link with other people's or just social media or use a forum. And I will be teaching you how to do this later in this video step by step, that it can really boost your earning. The last and final step is just need to earn money. Now there is a catch. I need you to listen closely and carefully to this video, since this will only work if you do it the right way. Now once you sign up for a free account, you instantly get $1 for free. This is just a sign up bonus, and once you make $5 in your account, you can begin to cash out your money. I will be teaching you exactly how you can make money right now today with the help of Google Trick. The payout are daily basis, and this is exactly I love this website because there are so many different websites others and does the same method, and you can make money with this strategy same, but the payout are weekly basis, and this website shrinkme.io is going to pay you on daily basis. So now if you are guys coming from the different countries from all over the world, you can receive your payments in your website again and again, and their minimum payout is just $5. So it's become very easy if you can make $5 and you want to cash out in your bank account or whatever the payment methods you want. Now after signing to the shrinkme.io, what should I do? So first, in order to make money, we need to get a link. So if we want to get a link of the video, let's assume I'm searching for the weight loss and I picked for the weight loss. Now here you can see that I have a filter option in my YouTube channel. You have too, and just click on this and just go to this week. What happened is we will find the videos that release on the YouTube just a weeks ago. Let's find out which one has got the more views. Let's assume that this website is gone 50k views in just one day. This is called the social media power, right? So here is the 50,000 views, and you can see that here are payout rates. As you can see that Greenland from $22, and if it gets, it's just really insane, $7 for 1,000 views. So you can know that 50 times increase. Let me understand you with the calculator. So if the person is getting 1,000 views of $7 from USA, it will get around $350 in just one day. As you can see, here is the YouTube that this person is made around like $350 from just 50,000 views, and this video is, I guess, really popular. So what we have to do is, here we will copy this website, YouTube link. What you have to do is searching for the forums. So let's search for the weight loss forum. Here you can see that I have searched the different types of forums of weight loss. In this of forums, people are coming from all over the world who is looking to lose weight and help which kept to them shape. As you can see, weight loss tracking, more result from forumsweet.com. So as you can see, there is tons of option. As you can also here, you can see that I have also chosen some of the website, that's sweet.com. Now you can see that there is also a website called weightlossfitness.com. Here you can see that there are lots of engagement, and there are a lot of active users. So they are looking for something help. So if you're gonna promote this video, just copying this link, and what we have to do is just go back to your shrinkme.io account and just paste this link here. And what we have to do is just click here. After clicking the here, you can see the shrinkme.io has given us a link. This is the link that we need to promote. You can save this link later on, but let me show you quickly without wasting the time. What we have to do is, whenever someone gets the link, click the link, they will get to show the ads, right? So whenever the person is showing your ads by through that, what is actually company is doing, shrinkme.io, is they is splitting the ad revenue with you. So they are making money and you are making money too. Whenever someone clicking their ad, you make money, right? So let's close this for now, and let me show you the quick strategy, so how you can make money like this. Now here you can see that we can make $22 of just getting 1,000 views. That's a pretty nice. And even if we can make $7 per 1,000 views from United States. So how it is possible to get the people from this location only? So let me solve the problem instantly. Just go to this, just type enter, and after getting, you can see that here is the setting option that Google provides itself. Now you can go and press this on advanced setting, right? This is called advanced search. Now after you click on this, what we will get is, here you can see this region. So what will happen is, here we can find any region that we want. So suppose we want from Greenland. Now here you can see this Greenland option is coming. So you can find forums related only from Greenland, right? And even if this option is limited for you, this is not going to be end. You can find the United States. Just go and scroll down to the below bottom, and you will find this United States and even many countries. So here all the process come to this, and you can make a lot of money. Or as I already showed you, this website is 100% legit, and they will pay you every time. That here you can see, this is the June is continuing. Every people can make a lot of money. And remember, if I can make money, you can make money too. So before we go, thanks for watching to this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video so you can never miss out to this video. Thanks for watching.